Welcome back. In the last two videos, you learned about simple and compound meter. Simple meters have one main accent, while compound meters also include secondary accents. For example, 2/4 time has two beats with only the first one accented, whereas 4/4 time has four beats with a strong first beat and a secondary accent on beat 3. There is one more building block we need to fully understand rhythm. You've learned that every note and rest value can be divided by 2. A whole note consists of 2 half notes, a half note of 2 quarter notes, and so on. But what happens if we want to divide a beat not into 2, but into 3 parts? In that case, we use a triplet. We place a bracket with the number 3 over or under the notes. This indicates that the 3 notes belong together and together last as long as 2 regular notes of the same value. In the case of eighth note triplets, the 3 notes equal the duration of 2 eighth notes. In the first rhythm example, there are 2 eighth notes on the second beat. In the second example, there is a triplet. Listen to both examples one after the other. The same principle works with other note values as well. Quarter notes can also form a triplet. 3 quarter notes are played in the time of 2. In the following example, a quarter note triplet fills the second half of a 4/4 measure. This is what it sounds like. Now let's turn things around. Besides triplets, there are also duplets, which divide a beat into 2. But why do we need them if note values are normally divided into 2 anyway? Duplets are only used when the pulse of a meter is divided into 3 parts. For example, in 6/8 time. Here, the pulse consists of 2 beats, each subdivided into 3/8 notes. If you want to fit 2 notes into the duration of such a beat instead of 3, you need to notate a duplet. As a result, duplet eighth notes are slightly longer than the regular eighth notes of the meter. Listen to this example. So remember, use triplets when a beat is normally divided into 2. Use duplets when a beat is normally divided into 3. Finally, here's a question for you. You see a 3/4 measure. The first and second beats are complete, and on the third beat there is an incomplete triplet. Which note value could fill the missing space under the bracket? Possible correct answers are a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, or their respective rests. The missing part must add up to the duration of 3 triplet eighth notes. Did you understand the concept? Write your questions and thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to MusePrep to become a music theory pro step by step.